And welcome, soul traveler. Find a comfortable space where you can lie down without any disruptions. And simply be here, right now. You've made time for yourself, and that's enough. You landed in a sacred space where you are allowed to let go. You don't need to be strong in this moment. You don't need to figure anything out. You don't need to fix a single thing. Just be here. Just breathe. And let your eyes close gently. Allow your body to soften. Just let gravity do the work of holding you. Place one hand over your heart and, if you'd like, the other over your belly. And let yourself be held. Even if it's just by the rhythm of your own breath. And let's begin with the breath. Not forcing, not controlling, just noticing. Inhale gently. And exhale even slower. Inhale, I'm here. Exhale, and I'm safe in this moment. And let your breath become your anchor. Breathing in, I arrive. Breathing out, I release. And let each breath guide you home. And now slowly bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension and allow it to soften. Move your awareness down to your face, your jaw, your neck, with each exhale. Imagine that you are releasing the invisible burdens you've been carrying. Feel into your shoulders, the weight of responsibilities, expectations, and stories. With every breath, allow those burdens to melt like snow beneath the sun. Travel your awareness down your arms, your chest, your heart space. What does your heart feel like today? Don't need to change it, just notice. Honor it. And now, bring your awareness into the belly. Let it rise and fall without tension. You're allowed to let go. Feel into your hips, your thighs, your knees, all the way down to the soles of your feet. Anywhere the body feels heavy, breathe into it. And let the earth beneath you support you. You are not alone. You've been feeling overwhelmed, defeated, like life is just too much. I want you to know you are not broken. You are not failing. You are not behind. You are human, and your soul is whispering through this pain. Just allow yourself to feel what you feel. Sadness, grief, frustration, fatigue, all are welcome here. And say to yourself quietly in your heart, even this belongs. Even this can be healed. Even now, I am not alone. And place both hands over your heart now. Breathe in deeply. And as you exhale, imagine releasing the pressure you've placed on yourself to be okay. You are allowed to rest here. Now gently shift your awareness to the space behind your heart, the place where your soul resides. Quiet, steady, eternal. Imagine a soft golden light beginning to rise there. Warm, gentle, comforting. It doesn't ask anything of you. It simply radiates love, truth, and safety. And let that light grow. Let it expand through your chest, through your spine, your entire body. This is you beneath the overwhelm. Your true self. Wise, whole, and steady. Say quietly to yourself, I remember who I am. I am not this moment. I am not this feeling. I am the one witnessing it with love. And I will not abandon myself. And let this golden light continue to fill your being. A warmth that says, you matter, you are guided, You are being held in ways you cannot yet see. And let these words move through you like medicine. Repeat them in your heart or whisper out loud. I am safe to feel. I allow myself to rest. I no longer need to carry it all alone. I am held by something greater. I give myself permission to begin again. Even now, healing is possible. Even now, I am enough. Begin to deepen your breath again. Feel the rise and fall of your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Return slowly, gently, with kindness. And when you're ready, open your eyes. There is no rush. Take the energy of peace with you and let this meditation be the bridge to your next right step. You are not alone, and you never have been. You are back to you with all my love. Tina Bridgettini.